How to remove Instagram or Facebook from Account Center. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to remove Instagram or Facebook from the Account Center. First, open the Instagram mobile application as shown here. This will take you to the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options that allow you to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, tap on the menu icon. It's the one with the hamburger symbol at the top right corner. This opens the Instagram settings and activity page, as shown here. On this page, you'll find several options you can use to manage and adjust the app settings. From there, tap on the option labeled Account Center. Inside the Account Center, you'll find sections with options to control your account's connected settings. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. At the bottom, there are more options. Tap on the one named Accounts. Once you do that, you'll see a list of all the accounts that are currently connected to the Account Center. From this list, locate the account you want to remove. Once you find it, tap on the option labeled Remove. After that, Instagram will ask you to confirm your action. Follow the instructions as I'm showing you here until you reach the final confirmation page. Once you're there, tap the confirmation button and the account will be successfully removed from the Account Center. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to remove Instagram or Facebook from Account Center.